Hey everybody, Ken Kitsune here with a pack opening. In this pack opening of Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game, Cross Souls. I'll probably add the effect to make it brighter. Cross Souls! Let's see what we got. Let's see. There you go. Opening up. It's just one pack, but maybe I'll do a Mega 10 opening. Alright, got Yosen Wind, Shadow Zephyr, Harmonic Oscillaton, Raid Raptor Sharp Lannis, Junk Anchor. Hello there! I got number S39, Utopia Prime. I got a Utopia Prime. I'm gonna look up how much you cost. This is pretty good. I've seen people use this card. I got a number S39 Utopia Prime. That's pretty good. Oh. I'm looking it up. Number S39 Utopia Prime.
Here is information from tcgplayer.com.
Oh, it's worth $2. Wow, I thought it'd be more. Still not bad. Pulled it out of my Cross Souls, so yeah, Utopia Prime. And that will be it for this pack opening. Ooh, I got a Super Heavy Samurai. I didn't realize that. So, what do you think about that? I'll probably do more. I was thinking about getting a Yugioh, those new Mega 10s. The new Mega 10s, the Yugioh and the Kaiba. But I hate Kaiba. The only reason I get Kaiba is because of Obelisk. I love Obelisk, but I don't like Kaiba. So, put in the comments which one you think I should get first. Yugioh or Kaiba? Or should I get both? That'll be up to you. And as always, bye-bye.